Well, congratulations, my friend. You are all the way to the end. You're at the end of the course. This will be the completion of the course. Congratulations on going through it entirely. You already know and understand Affinity Publisher. Of course, you probably don't know every single thing because this course is made for the beginners, but it will expand more and more and more. And trust me, you are going to add more and more things. You're going to see more and more things in this course, because the course will expand and the new versions of the course will add some new things, for some new practical examples, some new lectures, some new techniques that I am already planning to do for this course. You're going to learn a lot of great things as well. And as always, congratulations on finishing of this course. This will be it for now. Again, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask 100%. I'm always here for you. This course, again, will be expanded with the new versions because I always expand all of my courses from time to time. It's not that, I released a non-full version of the course. This is the full version of the course, but we're going to go to the version 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and expand even more and more and more and more and more. Well, this will be it for this one, and I hope to see you in other courses if you want to join my other courses, or just chat with you if you'll have anything to say or anything to ask to me. So thank you and see you around.